Hello everyone, welcome to Exec Spec for a demonstration of the StarLine anti-hijack system. This is available across the StarLine security products, and we wanted to share with you a demonstration. The customer wanted extra layer of security, so that works with either a tag present, so providing that you are with the vehicle and a tag, the vehicle will now run and allow you to drive it. Alternatively, you can enter a security pin code through the steering wheel, so we would set up a pin code for you that can be changed by the client as well. First thing you have to do is enable hijacking, so this can be enabled all the time. On this vehicle we have given the customer the option, so whenever you press the button it's in a green mode. So for us to enable hijacking and allow the driver or the owner extra layer of security, what you do is it's very simple. All you do is you press and hold this for 4 seconds. So we've got green, we can acknowledge that it's a green flash, so all you do is hold it for 4 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, let go, and now it goes solid red. So now whenever we press it, it is always red. So that has now enabled hijacking. So whenever this vehicle, whenever you get in the vehicle and you start it up as normal, it will see the tag and authorize the startup and drive of the vehicle. Should the vehicle driver's door be opened, the handbrake is put on and the driver leaves the vehicle with the tag, then will then enable hijacking mode and it will become active. To return and take off hijacking is very simple. Again, all you do is just to acknowledge, look, it's a red light. So all we do is we press and hold it for 4 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it's gone back to a green light. So to give you an idea, so let's start the vehicle up. So we've heard our authorization beep, which acknowledges that you are the driver with this tag. And now what we'll do is we'll mimic a drive. So we'll drive the vehicle to a set location and mimic that the driver has been hijacked. So what we're going to do is now pull up somewhere. Now this works obviously with the tag leaving the vehicle, so ideally in this scenario for hijacking mode, the driver now would have the tag separately, for example in the wallet, on a lanyard, or on a key tag that's separate to the car key. So if I give this to our driver and now our driver leaves, so the driver's door is open now, the handbrake has been put on, the brake pedal has been released, and now the thief now gets in. So the thief doesn't have the tag, the driver's door is shut, and now the thief drives off with the vehicle. So when the thief commences this, what will now happen is the I-96 will start to look for the tag, and if it doesn't see the tag, you can hear now the warning beeps. So this is to warn that we need to see the tag or enter your pin code in. So it's not entering the pin code, the beeps are getting more rapid, and as we continue driving, what will happen is the vehicle, providing it's at a set speed that we set for you, so it won't stall, but now it's literally coming to a standstill, and yes, we have now stalled. So now if we try to start the vehicle up without the tag, we can start it, but let's try to move again. It'll do exactly this. So now the vehicle, there's no chance that you can actually drive this vehicle away. And this immobilization system will continuously doing this. It can lock out as well. So after several attempts, the vehicle will lock out to prevent any starting whatsoever or being driven off. So the only way now you can actually and re-enable this is either introduce the tag. So what we'll do is we'll introduce a tag because we actually have a spare tag with us. So I'll do that now. Let's do this. Or we can actually enter the pin code. So we can either enter the pin code on the steering wheel or reintroduce a tag. And we've heard the beep. And now we can start the car back up as normal and return to normal driving. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please feel free to get in contact.